Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. As promised, today I will do a lesson on possessive nouns. If you missed my other grammar lessons, I have included the link in the description. Let's move on to the lesson. Possessive is used to show possession. It shows that something belongs to the person who is named by the noun. Look at the examples. This is the boy's book. In simple words, it means this is the book of the boy. But in English, we usually don't say like that. And we say, this is the boy's book. Similarly, Mrs. Smith's dog was called Mickey. Usually we say, it means the dog belongs to Mrs. Smith. Finally, Pat is wearing a man's trouser. It means Pat's trouser is usually worn by a man. When it comes to possessive form, there are some rules we need to consider. Let me explain. First, we look at the rule when the noun is singular. Possessive form is made by putting an apostrophe s after the noun. Look at the examples. Cat of Mary, we write Mary's cat. Mary is a singular noun. Therefore, we add the apostrophe s after the noun. Similarly, the house of Jack, we write Jack's house. The foot of the girl, we write the girl's foot. There are two rules to be considered when making the possessive form of plural nouns. First rule, if the plural ends in s, we just add an apostrophe only. Second rule, if the plural does not end in s, we add an apostrophe s after the noun. Let me give some examples to rule number 1. The house of the boys. In this sentence, boys is a plural noun. Therefore, we just add only the apostrophe after the noun. So, for the house of the boys, we say the boys' house. The hats of the girls, we say the girls' hats. We just add apostrophe after the noun girls. Likewise, the teeth of the dogs. The dog's teeth. Let me give some examples to rule number 2. When the plural noun does not end in s, we add apostrophe s after the noun. For men, men's. Women, women's. Children, children's. Men is plural noun which not ends in s. So, we add apostrophe s after the noun. Similarly, we add apostrophe s for women and children after the noun. However, there are only a few nouns whose plurals don't end in s. We use possessive form of nouns that name people and most animals. It is not generally used for nouns that name things. Look at the examples. Thank you for watching my video. I hope now you have a clear understanding about possessive nouns. I will meet you again with a grammar lesson on adjectives. Finally, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.